So, you have been elected as an officer for your student organization. Congratulations! Being a leader in your org is an incredible accomplishment and makes you an integral part of the JMU student organization experience. Now that you're an officer, you have access to a number of tools and features on BeInvolved to help you keep up with your leadership responsibilities. You can find these on your modules, such as officers, files, events, and more on your dashboard. As an officer, it is your responsibility to keep an updated officer and member roster on your organizations tab. You can view current officers in the Officers tab. To add officers, click the Add Officer button in the top right corner and search for the appropriate user by their Duke's email. To remove officers, click the checkbox next to the appropriate user or users and then click the topmost vertical ellipsis button and then delete. To view your membership roster, click the Members tab. To add members, click the Add Member button in the top right corner and add the appropriate user by searching their Duke's email. To bulk add members, you can click the Paste List button next to the Add Members button in the top right corner and paste a list of the emails of the members you are trying to add. To remove members, click the checkbox next to the appropriate user or users and then click the topmost vertical ellipsis button and then delete. Remember, keeping your officer or members roster updated is essential for your organization to run smoothly. In the next video, we will go over how to schedule events and meetings.